Context is key here. A TPL file is either a Wii game texture or a CAD template. One opens in an emulator, the other in a CAD program. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's figure out which one you have. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn TPL files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick LS linked below. The common usage of TPL places it squarely in the realm of data file formats. The internal manifest relies entirely on the document template format. The TPL file is a generic template file used by various applications. For Apache OpenOffice, it functions as a pre-designed document, word processing, or spreadsheet, containing styles, formatting, and boilerplate text for creating new documents quickly. Developed by Apache Software Foundation, the format is structural and based on the Open Document XML standard. The file's integrity relies on the XML syntax. Its purpose is purely for initiating new documents. Attempting to open it as a standard document will result in errors. Most users will find that Note tab developed by Fuchs Software is the best tool for TPL. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your TPL file and click Open With. If Note tab is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If you are still having trouble opening the TPL file, do not worry. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, identify the creator. Determine the application that uses the file, e.g., WordPerfect, Photoshop, or PHP template, as TPL is a generic extension. Next, open with text editor. If a simple template, open the file using a code editor, VS Code, or text editor, Notepad++ to view the HTML PHP code structure. Finally, use original app. If a proprietary template, open the main application and use its file, new from template function. If standard solutions cannot break the structural TPL format barrier, the professional decoding utility is the only dependable fix worth trying. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the TPL problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. Remember to always back up your original files first. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community.